మీరు ఇక్కడ ఆయే ఉంటాం ఆయనే వస్తుంది పిల్లలు ఎవరున్నారు ఇంకా మన యశ్వంత్ ఉన్నాడు యశ్వంత్ అరుణ్ యశ్వంత్ అరుణ్ జై కిషన్ తర్వాత ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ మేడం జస్ట్ అందరికీ కృష్ణ లైవే కదా స్లోగా
ఒక మంచి స్మెల్ వస్తుంది. టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ పొల్యూషన్. ఏది సౌండ్? Pinhole camera.
ఇక్కడ ట్రైనింగ్ రావాలి, ఇక్కడ కూడా మ్యాచ్ రావాలి.
ఇక్కడ చెప్పేసాను పర్లేదు.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our school science fair, Vignan Kshetra. This is Nissi. This is Tialita. This is K.R. So now we are going to explain drone and the drone components. First one is frame. Frame hold all the parts inside it and gives the drone its shape. It must be strong and lightweight to fly in the sky. And second one is motor. Motor provide power for lift, and more motors provide better stability to the drone. And third one is propellers. Propellers spin to create lift of the drone, and different propellers provide change, speed and control. Flight controller, the brain of the drone that keeps it balanced. It processes signals and pilots and sensors. It is used in agriculture sector. Battery powers the drone. Most drones use rechargeable lipo batteries. Sensors help the stability and navigation. Examples are gyroscope, GPS, obstacle sensors. Next one is remote control. Remote controller also called as a transport. It allows the pilot to control and the movement. It is helpful to the display and the camera. Camera captures the videos and photos. It uses it for the mapping, inspections and the live viewing. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is welcome to Santiniketan Vignan Kshetra. My name is B. Bhargav. My project name is Reflex arc. This is Reflex arc. It is used to protect us from dangers like fire or sharp objects. It is useful in our daily life. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself K. Hasita. I'm studying in 9th standard. So today I'm going to explain about the skeleton system. The skeleton system is nothing but the framework of the bones that helps our body to support, and it makes a particular shape to our body. And first, the skull. It is made up of 22 bones and it protects the brain. And also the head is made up of 8 bones and this face is made up of 12 bones. And this protects our eyes, ears, nose and smelling. And this the rib cages and the arms, legs. These arms contains 3 bones. The upper arm contains 2 bones and lower arm contains 1 bone. And these legs, this upper arm contains 1 bone and these knees and feet contains too many small bones. This gives a particular shape to our body, and without this skeleton our body may remain shapeless. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself is Srivashni. I am from 5th standard. Now I am going to explain about nerve cell. Nerve cell or neurons are the fundamental electric signaling units of the nervous system, transmitting information throughout the body via electric impulses
impulses with over 100 billion in the brain. These cells feature a cell body, dendrites for receiving signals, and an axon for sending messages, acting as the body's communication network. Types of neurons. We have three types of neurons, that are sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons. Sensory neurons carry signals from the body to the brain. Motor neurons. Motor neurons carry signals from the brain to the muscles. Interneurons. Interneurons connect neurons within the central nervous system. Importance. It is important for us. Why? Because these cells are responsible for everything from sensory inputs and motor commands to complex thought, memory, and voluntary or involuntary movements. Thank you. Good morning, respected sir. Welcome to Santiniketan Concept School. I am going to explain human digestive system. Human digestive system helps to break down food in simple substances and gives us energy. The large intestines digest food in easy way. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Welcome to our Santiniketan School Science Fair, Vignan Shed. Today I am going to explain about respiratory system. Respiration in human beings is called breathing. Our mouth and nose are the gateways to our respiratory system. When a person breathes through our nose, the air passes through our mouth and it goes to the trachea. The trachea is a passageway leading to our lungs. Nasal cavity. Nasal cavity is the important job of the nasal cavity is to moisten by mucus. Next, this is called trachea. Trachea is also called the windpipe. It is a tube that carries air from our mouth and to our lungs. This is called lungs. Lungs are protected by the ribcage that help us in. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Shihan. Good morning, sir. My name is Shihan. Good morning, sir. My name is Shihan. I am from 5th class. Good morning, sir. My name is Shihan. Good morning, sir. My name is. Good morning, sir. My name is Shihan. I am from 5th class. Welcome to our school Science Fair, Vignan Kshetra. Today I am going to explain about eyes. Eyes are the organs of sight. The eyelids and the eyelashes protect them from dust. The black spot in the center of the eye is called pupil. The colored circle is called iris. The amount of light that passes through the pupil is controlled by iris. The pigmentation of the iris gives the color to the eye. The optic nerve carries messages from the eyes to the brain. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Santiniketan High School, Vignan. This is my product, Hemodialysis. Hemodialysis is a man-made device. Dialysis machine is used to filter the blood of a person. Kidneys are essential organ for survival. There are several reasons for improper functioning of kidneys, like infection, injuries, very high blood pressure, very high blood sugar. This results in accumulation of poison waste in our body and ultimately lead to death. Dialysis machine is the principle of dialysis machine is used diffusion of solids as semi-permeable membrane. The semi-permeable membrane is impermeable to macronutrients such as plasma protein, etc. Permeable to small solids like urea, uric acid, acidic molecules, etc. Here the impure blood going to the dialyzing fluid and it going to the dialyzer and it dialyzes aerator and purified blood goes to the human side. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our science fair, SNI Science Fair, Vignan Kshetra. My name is S. Dikshita. I am studying in 6th class. Today I am going to explain about earthworm respond to light. Let's know how to prepare it. Get an earthworm nearby moist soil. Take a box, cover the box with half of the black paper. Put some amount of soil and earthworm into the jar. Close the lid that contains small holes to allow the air. When earthworm crawls out the covered position, shed some light on jar. Observation: when we toss on light, it moves to dark position. Result indicates that the earthworm shows response to light. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our Santiniketan Science Fair. My name is Akansh. Today I'm going. Microscope is an instrument which is used to see the smaller organisms. Smaller organisms is nothing but microorganisms. Scientists use this microscope for a blood test and to see the bacteria. And this microscope helps us to see the small microorganisms and its inner parts also. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Hitesh from 6th year. Today we are conducting the science fair Vignan Kshetra. This is my project, rain detector alarm. A rain detector alarm is an electronic device that detects the moisture. Using a sensor, it immediately triggers an alarm or buzzer to alert users. And for home applications like home automation, like closing windows, protecting clothes, and farming like agriculture irrigation. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sebhushan. I am studying in 8th year. Welcome to our science fair, Vignan Kshetra. Today I am going to explain about the phases of moon. The phases of moon are the different shapes of the moon which are visible from the Earth as its orbit. There are 8 phases of moon. Their names are new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, waning crescent. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself K. Pratik from 9th year. Welcome to our science fair Vignan Kshetra. Now I am going to explain the working process of lungs. Respiration is the process by which food is broken down to form energy. Trachea channelizes air to lungs and divides into 2 bronchi. Epiglottis is present here. It is a flap-like structure that controls the allowance of food and air. When we breathe, the air goes to these lungs and the exchanging of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place. Now I am going to show the breathing, inhaling and exhaling. Thank you.
My name is K. Sricharan. I am from 9C. I am studying in 9th class. Today I am going to explain traffic education. The movement of any object from one place to another is known as traffic. Movement of any object on road from one place to another is known as traffic education. The red indicates the danger and stop. Red has the longest wavelength, so it is available from far away. The yellow gives the warning time and allows the brain to prepare for stop. Green means safe to move. While preparing this model, I have shown very important traffic signals, road signs, road safety practices. Always wear helmet while driving the bike. Wear seat belt in the cars. Pedestrians must use zebra crossing while crossing the road. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is G. Gitanjali. Good morning, sir. My name is G. Gitanjali. I am from 6th standard. This is a solar power irrigation system. Use solar panel to convert sunlight into electricity. Powering pump that lifts water for agriculture without using fuel and gas. The sustainable system often paired with drip irrigation improves water efficiency and reduce carbon emissions. The lower long-term operating farmers with reliable water.
Good morning, sir. Myself Diasni from 8th standard. Today I am going to explain about the drip irrigation. This method is important in the where water availability is poor. This is called the drip irrigation. If we press the water comes out like this, tanking you.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Welcome to Santiniketan Science Fair Vijnana Kshetra. Myself, E. Prashanti. We are from 7th standard. Today we are going to explain about agriculture field. Agriculture is very important for our country. We should help and respect farmers. Without agriculture, we cannot get food to eat. Sustainable agriculture is becoming important for environmental protections. Farmers use tractors and tools to work. Supporting farmers and investing in technology is vital for the future of food. Thank you.
It supplies raw materials to various industries. It provides employment to a large portion of population. The essential components for agriculture are water, sunlight and soil fertility. It plays a key role in exporting commodities like tea, coffee and spices. It contributes significantly to the gross domestic product of nations. Thank you.
Agriculture means growing crops and raising animals. Farmers work in fields to grow food. We get rice, wheat and vegetables from agriculture. Agriculture gives fruits and spices. Farmers work in fields to grow food. Thank you.
Terrace farming is a method of growing crops on the slopes of hills or deserts. The land shaped into steps and flat platform called terrace. Terrace farming is an example of traditional knowledge and innovative farming practices. Terrace farming helps in stopping soil from being washed away by rain. This method is common in hilly areas where flat land is not available. Farmers build walls along the edges to hold the soil. Thank you.
Good morning, sir, madam. My name is T. Vaishnav. Welcome to our Santiniketan Educational Institutions, Vijnana Kshetra. Organic farming is not using not manure and oil chemicals, not using the chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Organic farming is a sustainable agricultural and system that to increase the soil fertility, health, biodiversity, and examples of green manure, vermicompost, compost, and farmers are using urine and dung, etc. Thank you.
Good morning, sir, ma'am. It is a food pyramid. Food pyramid is a foundational visual due for a balanced diet. Organizing food into groups on based on remembered daily. A food pyramid is a levels with. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself, I am Naganjali of 7th standard. First of all, welcome to Santiniketan Science Fair Vijnana Kshetra. Today I am going to explain about wastewater purification. Here we can see the dust water in this tank. When we turn on the motor, it will come into the large pebbles, and then it will enter into the small pebbles. When it enters into the coal, it captures the chemical which are in the wastewater, and when it enters into the soil, it captures the small particles which came from the coals. And when we pour the water in sand, then it enters into the cotton. The small sand particles which are in the sand, it captures by the cotton, and it enters into the tank. It is supplied to the every houses, schools, colleges, everything. Thank you.
The uses of agriculture field is employment. Farmers get jobs by this agriculture field.
Clothing. Crops like cotton and jute are used to make cloths.
Livestock feed. Agriculture crops and grass used to feed food and agriculture.
Medicines and herbs. Many medicines are made from plants grown through agriculture. Thank you. Jai Kisan.
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our Santiniketan exhibition Vignan Kshetra. This is called as thermal power plant. From here, the Singareni collieries, coal comes into the thermal power plant. A thermal power plant generates electricity by burning fossil fuels. Example, coal, but oil gas. In the boiler, boiler heats the water and heats the fuel, and it is went to the turbine. Steam drives turbine blades, converting thermal energy into mechanical energy. Generator converts mechanical energy into electricity, as you can see. This is called as cooling tower. Cooling tower cools the boiler to reuse the boiler. This is called as thermal power plant. Uses of the thermal power plant. In many sectors like agriculture sector, it is used in ordering the motor. In homes, to on light, fans, anything, we need electricity which comes from the thermal power plant. Thank you.
ఇట్లా కాదమ్మా, ఇది లైట్ ఉందా, ఇట్లా పట్టుకోండి జస్ట్. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. చైర్మన్ సార్ వచ్చారు. చైర్మన్ సార్ వచ్చారా? నాకు ఇది ఎందుకు ఇచ్చినట్టు? ఏం చేయాలి? ఏమో మైక్ ఇది. ఒకసారి హలో అంతా ఒకసారి చేస్తా. Good morning, sir. Welcome to the Santiniketan Science Fair. Today I am telling about water fountain. Water fountain is a beautiful place in the world. Water fountain is used in functions, hotel, parks, etc. to look beautiful. Water fountain is peaceful place in the world. The water fountain is beautiful to see and for taking pictures, and it is cool and peaceful. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Anritika. I am studying in 6th class C section.
Good morning, sir. My name is B. Vanmaistri. I am studying in 6th class C section. Today we are going to explain about water cycle.
A water cycle is model of solar eclipse van and movement of water on Earth through four statements: evaporation, liquid to gas, condensation, vapor to clouds, precipitation, snow, and collection runoff.
Evaporation. The sun heats water in oceans, rivers, ponds, lakes, etc., causing it to turn into evaporation. Condensation. The water vapor rises up into the atmosphere and form clouds. Precipitation. The water droplets in clouds become heavy and fall back to each as the rain, snow, or hail.
Collection. Water gets in oceans, rivers, and underground, falling back to large bodies of water to start the cycle again. Thank you.
Good
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our Santiniketan Science Fair exhibition. My name is T. Sirisha. I am from 8th B. Today I am going to explain about 3R principles. 3R principles are reduce, reuse, and recycling. Reduce is the process of which the usage of plastics they turns into useful products. These are the examples of reduce. Reuse is the process of when some things are made up of plastics, they are not used to us, we can give to others. These are the examples of reuse. And the recycling. The factory releases wastewater. This wastewater we turn into purified water. First layer is big pebbles. Big pebbles removes the waste of the big particles and the small pebbles. And the third layer is charcoal. And the fourth layer is sand, and the fifth layer is cotton. These are the layers of the wastewater. We get purified water. These purified water turns into agricultural land, and crops will be grown. Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Tiswanik from 7th year. Today I am going to explain about face mask detector. This system checks two things. First thing is whether a person is wearing a mask or not. Second thing is it measures temperature of the body. A camera detects the face and a temperature sensor measures the heat without touching. If the person is wearing a mask and has normal temperature, green light turns on and doors open. If not, red light turns on and buzzer sounds. This system is automatic, contactless, and helps keep people safety. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Miklesh. Welcome to Santiniketan Science Fair. Today my project is about rain detector. My project is utilized in various like agriculture field, smart homes, vehicle safety by giving an instant alarm. Coming to my project, when any rain drop will fall on the sensor, it will give signals to the controller board. Controller board will give signals to the buzzer, which will at the same time it will give signals to servo motor, which will move from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. When the rain is falling, it will close to 0 degrees. When the rain is not falling, it will come back to 90 degrees. So with the help of my project, we can protect the clothes from wetting during the rainy season. Thank you.
Good morning, respected sir. Myself, Usha Kiran.
Good morning, respected sir. Myself, P. Chetana. I am studying in 9th standard.
Today we are going to explain about photosynthesis model. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. It occurs mainly in the green part of the plants. The green pigment called chlorophyll.
They use sunlight to make their food. It takes place inside.
మధ్యలో ఆపింది మేము పాస్ చేస్తున్నాం.
They use sunlight to make their food. It takes place inside the tiny cell part called chloroplast. Photosynthesis is very important because it provides food and oxygen to all living beings. Photosynthesis not only helps to plants to prepare their food, but also the process which food chain. It is used to this also. This is a natural process by which solar energy utilized to produce food to all living beings like human beings and animals. This is a plants convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. By this way we are getting oxygen. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our school, Santiniketan Concept School. Today I am explaining about myself, K. Manvita. Today I am explaining about waste management. Waste management is a process of collecting and separating of waste in a safe and proper way. Collecting and separating in a proper way. For dry waste and wet waste, we should separate. By following 3R principle, we can save our nature. Reduce, reuse. By separating, we can save the nature. This process is called waste management. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. I am explaining about. My name is Vishnu.
Good morning, sir. I am Esnishwant from 7th standard. Today I am explaining about the wind turbines. Wind turbines are generating the electricity and passing through the homes, factories, and hospitals, etc. This is called wind turbine. And importance of the wind turbines are the wind turbines are very high and tall. The wind turbines give energy and passes to generator and pass to homes, factories, and hospitals. Thank you.
Sir, please can you play this game? OX? Ma'am, this is an OX game, ma'am. Ma'am, అయిపోయినాయి మేడం. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to our science.
Hello.
ఫార్మర్స్ కూడా కొన్ని సీజన్స్ బట్టి ల్యాండ్ వేస్ట్ ఇలాగ
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our Santiniketan Science Fair. Good morning, sir. Welcome to our Santiniketan Science Fair, Vignakshetra. Myself, I am Diyashan.
Myself, MS Varshit. We are studying from 7th standard.
This is my project. The project name is hydroelectricity. Hydropower is a renewable energy resource that generates electricity by harnessing the power of moving or flowing water.
Hydroelectricity is electricity generated by using the energy of falling water. It is in the form of renewable energy. Water stored in dams which flow through the turbines which produces and generates electricity. Hydropower generates very less gas compared to coal or oil power plants. Thank you, sir.
Land pollution. The appearance of things is land pollution is
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, science and it reduces the fertility which occurs in plants, animals and human beings. Deforestation, mining, etc. These are the main causes of land
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our Santiniketan Science Fair, Vignan Kshetra. Myself, B. Chandana from 8th standard. Renewable energy is known as sources of energy. Renewable energy harness power for nature like sunlight, wind, rain and tide, and also geothermal power. Solar wind and solar panels is also converted into electricity. Some vehicles run on electricity produced from renewable energy. Thank you.
Madam, select the level. Game.
You're starting the game.
Select the level, ma'am. Easy, medium, hard. First, start. You have to make sure that these two colors should be here.
First, I have to take out the class.
By moving like this, just one move. Okay. No cross movings. Just like no cross. Just sides. You can also play two members. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
You try once. You try once. Go one side. Try.
Wireless.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our Santiniketan Science Fair. Myself, Mamata Sirvi from 8th standard. My model name is Earthquake Detecting. When I switch on the button, it produces sound. It produces sound during the earthquake and alert the people from move to dangerous zone to a safest zone. It is also called as a early warn system because it early warn the people and move the people from safest zone. This system is used in several countries like Mexico City and Japan. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our Santiniketan Science Fair Vignan Kshetra. Myself, Esma Idar. I am studying in 8th standard. This is my project. My project name is electrical lift. The electrical lifts are used in for moving people between floors, building floors. And the electrical lift more energy efficient and generally faster than the hydraulic lifts. And a lift is a vertical transportation machine powered by an electrical motor. This is the motor, and generally the electrical lifts are used in residential and commercial buildings over 60 feet in height and due to their capability for higher speeds and travel distances. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Santiniketan School Science Fair. Welcome to Santiniketan Science Fair. My name is K. Venkasaya Pratap and I am studying in 6th class. Today going to explain windmills. Windmills are used to produce electricity with the not lived in people, the small villages.
Good morning, sir. Welcome Santiniketan Science Fair. Good morning, sir. Welcome to Santiniketan Science Fair. Today I am going to explain about Escalator. An escalator is a moving staircase and conveying transport device where carrying people between the floors and building. It consists motor-driven chain, individual linked step on the track with pair of a track on the horizontal. An accelerator is often around the world place where giving lift could be implemented and they can be used in conjunctions with them. Accelerator we see in the shopping malls, airports, train system, department stores and conjunction stores, etc. Accelerator are used in old age people who are uncomfortable to walk steps. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our science fair. Vignan Kshetra. This is my model. This is smart city. This is also called a future city. This is a working model. The materials required to make this project are the solar panels, vertical winds, Practical ones. Solar streetlights. These are designed to enhance the safety and efficiency by using the light dependent resistors and the motion detecting sensors, etc. Its main key benefits are the emergency and safety, versatility, efficiency, etc. Smart city is a city. The main theme to take this project is that this shows the advanced features which we have to use in our future. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Santiniketan Science Fair Vignan Kshetra. Myself, Pilasya Priya. I am from 7th standard. This is my project. My project is about layers of atmosphere. There are mainly 5 layers of atmosphere. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Troposphere, it is from 0 to 12 kilometers high. It is the lowest layer of atmosphere. It contains more oxygen. Mesosphere, it is the coldest layer of atmosphere. It is from 50 to 85 kilometers high. Here temperature decreases. Exosphere, it is from above 600 kilometers high. It is the outermost layer of atmosphere. Here air is very thin. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Santiniketan Science Fair Vignan Kshetra. Today my model is about types of motions in park. This is known as merry-go-round. This merry-go-round with forces represent rotational motion because it has a fixed central point. This is known as swing. The swing moves front side or back side repeatedly from side to side. Such this type of to and fro motion is known as oscillatory motion. This is a periodic motion. When one side goes up, other side comes down. Such this type of motion is known as periodic motion. This is known as downhill motion, slide, when a movement of an object is from higher position to lower position along a sloping surface. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Saman Nayak. My project is Ayodhya. This is located in Uttar Pradesh. Some very special temple of the Uttar Pradesh.
Jai Shri Ram. Ramandir is in this temple in Ayodhya, where Lord Rama was located, where Lord Rama was born. Now only at Johnson ma'am is joining us.
ఫోన్లో సరిపోవట్లేదు.
చెప్పే లోపల ఫోన్ చేసి
చెప్తాను సగం లాగా
లైవ్ వీడియో
లైవ్ స్నేహ कौन सा ड्रेस पहन के लाए स्नेहा?
Good morning, sir. My name is K. Aman Nayak.
Myself, M. Charan.
My model is the Ayodhya. It's located in Uttar Pradesh from Ram Mandir. From Ram Mandir. It's very special temple of the Hindus. in a place in a very special and peaceful and beautiful place of the Hindus. My friend above conveyed in this matter.
Jai Shri Ram. Ram Mandir is a Hindu temple in Ayodhya where Lord Rama was born. It built on Ram Janmabhoomi, his birth site. His birth site. The Ram Mandir is 350 feet wide, and 350 feet, 161 feet height, 250 feet wide. By taking this inspiration, we have done a mini Ram Mandir. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is V. Mokshita. I am from 6th class B section. My project name is electric generator. This project converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. In dams, they use water to make electricity. This electricity is used in our daily life, like in bulbs, tube lights, AC, etc. When the dams open, the water flows and strikes the turbine, and the turbine rotates. This makes mechanical energy. This turbine is connected to the generator. This generator converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. This concept is used by me in this project. In this project, the motor takes electricity from the power bank and converts it into mechanical energy. This motor is connected to the generator. This generator converts this mechanical energy to electrical energy. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Sakshita. I am studying 8th standard. Now we are going to explain about solar system.
The sun and the celestial bodies which revolve around it forms the solar system. Our solar system consists of 8 planets, comets, asteroids and meteoroids. The Earth rotates on its own axis is called orbit. The Earth revolves around the sun on its orbit is called rotation. Days and nights occur due to the rotation. While rotating on its own axis, the Earth rotates on its orbit is called revolution. The solar system formed 4.6 billion years ago. It is located in the Milky Way galaxy. Thank you.
Now I am going to explain about planets. Our first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the nearest to the sun and the smallest planet in the solar system. Venus is the brightest planet and it is nearest to the sun. Earth is the only planet in the solar system on which life exists. Mars is the reddish planet. It consists of rusted iron particles. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. In Jupiter we can place 1300 Earths in it. Saturn is in yellow and purplish in color. Saturn has rings around it. These rings cannot be seen through our naked eye. Uranus is the planet. It rotates from east to west. Neptune is the coolest planet and it is the last planet. Advantages of solar system: it is renewable and sustainable. It reduces electricity bills. Energy dependence. Disadvantages of solar system: it requires space and weather dependent, etc. Thank you.
Good morning, welcome to Santiniketan Science Fair Vignan Kshetra. Myself M. Harshavardhan, I am studying in 8th standard. Today I am explaining about windmill. The aerodynamic wings allow the air to pass through and the wings produce the kinetic energy, and the kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy by the motor, and we can see here now the electricity is produced by the motor and it can be used in all the ways. In the places where the hospitals, homes, schools, etc., and it can be used in the places where the electric poles and electricity is not available. We can install wind turbines and it can be useful to use the electricity in all the ways. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Isripriya, I am from 7th standard education. Today I am going to tell about computer networking. Computer networking shows the converts into internet. This is a desktop, this is a laptop, this is a mobile device. Mobile device is used for online shopping, online payment, etc. These are called clients because they ask for information. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Welcome to our science fair. This is an maze game. You have to pass this ball from this and end here. This is a maze game. You have to pass this ball through this and end here. Once try by holding cardboard. Yes, Rob. Thanks, sir, for playing. Have a nice day.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Santiniketan Concept School, Science Fair, Vignyanik Kshetra. My name is Harika.
My name is Lakshmi Priya.
Our topic is Persian wheel. A water wheel is a machine useful for forming or filling water into fields. There are three types of water wheel: overshot water wheel, undershot water wheel, breast-shot water wheel.
Our project is overshot water wheel. The near east by the 3rd century BC, the volume of the water is diverted to an individual form. The creating and using a vertical water wheel in a Romance times. The first water wheel is created around 4000 BC.
Now we are not using this water wheel. In olden days, we are using this water wheel for farming. This water wheel goes into plants for farming, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fun game, sir.
Play. You should play. You have to play like this, sir.
Good morning.
You have to keep like this and you have to balance. You have to balance and drop it here, sir. I'll count 10 seconds. You have to at least drop here 10 thermocol balls. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, respected sir. Welcome to our Santiniketan Science Fair Vignan Kshetra. Myself Taranya from 7C. Today my topic is about windmill. Windmill is a machine that used to create power and it generates electricity through to our homes. It is also used for hundreds of years. It is also used for hundreds of years. It is also located in fields, farms, open places and windy places. It is also used to grind grains and pump water. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is K. Hemant. I am studying in 8th standard. Today I am going to tell about buzzer game. Buzzer game is a game. We want to pass this holder through this wire. We want to use this holder. Sir, can you play? Sir? Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Myself K. Google Shivam from 6th standard. This is the color pattern, puzzle color pattern matching. We have to keep. This is a hexagon. We have to keep this, and these three colors are matched, and these two also matched, and these two matched, and these two also matched. We have to keep this, and these two matched, and these three also matched. This is not matched, and this is not. This is a match. Keep this. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. I am Sirivarsha from 6th standard. Today I am going to say about pinhole camera. Take a large PVC pipe and a black sheet. Keep it like a cap to the larger PVC pipe and make a hole in the middle of the larger PVC pipe. Now take the smaller PVC pipe
I keep it like a cap to the with a white sheet, and when we insert the smaller pipe into the larger pipe, our pinhole camera is ready. Thanks.
Due to that, people lost their life forms. And it's the land pollution. The dust,
When we see
and the waste
the
which is thrown on the road.
lighted pinhole camera, the image is inverted or reversed.
Dust is thrown on the land.
Good morning, sir. My name is
Good
morning, sir. My name is Marshi. I'm studying in 6th class. Today I'm telling about water purification. Water purification in daily life is essential for ensuring safe, clean water for drinking, cooking, etc. Sanitation by removing bacteria, 0% viruses, heavy metals and chemicals. Key uses in daily hydration, preparing food, improving taste, protecting appliances from scale, build-up, safeguarding from against waterborne diseases. Thank you. Shall you try, sir? Wastewater is converted into purified water, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vaisar. Voice. Good morning, sir. Welcome to our Santiniketan Science Fair. My name is Vaisar. I am from 7th class A section. He is my friend B. Lokeshwar.
My name is B. Lokeshwar. I am studying in 7th class A section.
Today we are going to tell about the types of pollution. This is the air pollution. The harmful gases which release from factories makes the air dangerous for our health. Breathing in this polluted air can cause diseases. This is the land pollution. The wastage in the kitchens and in the houses thrown on the road, beside the roads, makes the diseases. And this is the water pollution.
Water pollution is a type of pollution which affects the environment harmful to the nature. Water pollution is a big problem. It happens when harmful substances get into water bodies. Factories and cities develop various chemical properties. This can make the water dirty and unsafe for animals and people. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. This is the sound pollution. The sound of the DJ sounds and the cars makes so many people lose their power of ears. And thank you. Sister,
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Welcome to Santiniketan Science Fair, Vignan Kshetra. This is Pavani from 8th B. Today my topic is land pollution. Land pollution is one of the major environmental problems today. It happens when the industrial waste like plastic, garbages and chemicals industries waste are thrown into the land. So we should reduce it. If we do not reduce it, soil will be get dirty and it reduces the fertility, which affects the land, plants and animals and also human beings. So if we do not reduce these, we get difficult diseases and environment will be wasted. So deforestation, mining are the main causes of land pollution. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Vignan Kshetra. My name is Idrakshini. I am studying 9th class. Today I am explaining about Red Fort. The Red Fort is another name is Lal Killa is located in Delhi. It was built by Shah Jahan in 1648. In 17th century, it was made up of red sandstone, which looks very grand. The Prime Minister has the national flag here on Independence Day. It is a famous place. Many people visit the Red Fort. It is show the rich history of the Mughal employers. Thank you, sir. అది జస్ట్ మోడల్ గట్టిగా
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Brian. I stand 6th way. Today my project is automatic robot. Robot is made up of physical body. It can move forward and backward. It can clean the surrounding. It can help the mother to carry the groceries very heavy load. It can give the water to anybody. It have fan. It works by batteries and controllers. Thank you.
Welcome to Planetariums.
Please be seated, sir. This is our solar planetarium. Our solar planetarium is very vast and full of wonders. The sun is in the center and all the planets revolve around it. The path of the planet is known as orbit. There are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Mercury is the closest and smallest planet among all the planets. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Venus is the hottest planet among all the planets. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Earth is the only planet on which life can exist. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars is also known as red planet because of its reddish appearance. Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet among all the planets. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. Saturn is the second largest planet. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. Uranus. Uranus is the coldest and it rotates on its side. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. Neptune is the farthest planet. This is our solar system. Our solar system is full of wonders. Earlier, Pluto was considered as the ninth planet, but in 2006, scientists reclassified that it was a dwarf planet. Thank you, sir.
Light on.
Good morning, ma'am. This is our solar planetarium. Our solar planetarium is very vast and full of wonders. The sun is in the center and the planets revolve around it. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The path of the planet is known as orbit. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the sun. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. Venus is the hottest planet among all the planets. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Earth is the only planet on which life can exist. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. Mars is also known as red planet because of its reddish appearance. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun. Jupiter is the biggest planet among all the planets. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun. Saturn is the second largest planet. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet and it rotates on its side. Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet among all the planets. This is our solar system. Earlier, Pluto was considered as the ninth planet, but in 2006, scientists reclassified that it was a dwarf planet. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for visiting.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. My name is M. Sanjana. I am from class 8th.
I am M. Pravasti. I am from 9th class.
My name is K. Diksha. I am from 8th standard.
this is our solar planetarium.